I guess this is it, bro. It's been a long ride.
Yeah, man, it has. Well, what are you gonna do?
Now that I'm king?
Yeah, bro.
I don't know. I mean, I definitely have some stuff planned, but probably have to figure that out along the way.
I'd hope so, bro. You got a crown on your head.
Okay.
Didn't do all of that just to like for you to not know what to do.
All right. Well, I'm gonna head up now. There's a lot of people that are waiting for me. I'll see you, bro.
Wait,
What?
yo. Good luck, man. I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
But don't let this get to your head, buddy. You're still not the biggest bird.
All right, bro. All right. I'll see you soon.